Good afternoon, everyone, especially to you, ma'am. So, now I will be going to present my part, which is the copywriting techniques. There are ten types of copywriting techniques. The first one is the headlines. Headlines is a crafting catchy, attention grabbing headlines that draw readers and encourage them to continue reading. The first thing people will see, so it's crucial that it grabs their attention and makes them want to read more. A story headline should be attention grabbing and clearly communicate the main benefit of your products or services. For example of this, blog post headlines need to let the reader know why they should read the post and what they can expect to learn. So there is why it is important why it is headline is important in advertising. It is because it helps to grab the attentions of the target audience. So the second one technique is emotional appeal. Using emotions such as happiness, fear, or nostalgia to connect with the audience and evoke a response. Why is emotional appeal used in advertising? It is because by appealing to people's emotions, marketers can create a sense of relevance, urgency, and connection that drives to take action. For example, Coca-Cola's Choose Happiness promotion was a powerful example that encouraged consumers to share memories and experience that make them feel happy. So let's move on to the third copywriting techniques. So it is unique selling proposition. Unique selling proposition highlighting the unique benefits or features of a product or service that sets apart from competitors. So why is important unique selling in advertising? It is because unique selling advertising are a lowest price guarantee, free shipping, and money back guarantee. Unique selling proposition are a key elements in advertising campaign that help differentiate a product or services from its competitors. The example of unique selling proposition, Coca-Cola's unique selling proposition centers around the promise of delivering happiness and refreshment with every sip of beverages by associating its products with positive emotions and a sense of joy. So let's move on to the fourth one, which is call to action, CTA. CTA encouraging the audience to take a specific action, whether it's making a purchase, signing up for a newspaper, or visiting a website. I'm sure you have seen buttons like read more, take me there, sign up, or do it, or other such versions or various sites prompting you to take action. They're called CTA, a, a button that simply means to call you to take an action, for example, for this, the campaign name Share a Coke was as call to action. It made people purchase Coca-Cola and share their memorable moments with their friends and family. So let's move on to the fifth copywriting techniques, which is storytelling. Storytelling, creating narratives or scenarios that resonate with the target audience and effectively communicate the brand's image. Why is storytelling why it is storytelling is important? It is because storytelling allows marketers to unify their communications with their brand itself, creating consistent, impactful stories that are memorable to the user. But using storytelling in marketing, communication is not just about developing more content or putting more money behind digital advertising communication. For example of this, um, Coca-Cola, the taste of happiness. Their brand story emphasizes that their soft drink is more than just a beverage. It symbolizes joy, connection, and optimism. The company's Share a Coke campaign, which personalized Coca-Cola bottles with people's name, exemplifies its storytelling power. So let's move on to the seven technique of copywriting, the features and benefits. Um, Incorporating visuals such as I know the benefits versus the technique the six techniques of copywriting is benefits versus features, focusing on benefits of the products or services rather than just listing its features to show consumers how it can improve their lives. So, the what is feature and benefits? A feature is essential function or component of a good or service. In contrast, a benefit refers to how a product features could make a consumer's life easier or more enjoyable. For example, a feature of an oven is that can fully heat up in a 5 minutes. So there are other examples. One example when it comes to dealing with consumers directly is a car sales. A car salesperson might focus on the feature of a car such as its horsepower and fuel efficiency, but to sell the car effectively, they need to go beyond the technical details and focus on the benefits of those features. So, let's move on to the seven part of the seven techniques of copywriting, which is use of imagery. Incorporating visuals such as photographs or illustrations to complement the written message and enhance its impact. So, how is imagery used in advertisements? Visual imagery is used to attract attention, stimulate curiosity, illustrate product features and benefits, create and develop a personality for a product, associate the product with certain symbols and lifestyle, and establish a brand's identity in the minds of the target audience. So, the ex, why is imagery important in marketing? They create engagement. As any marketer knows, images create increases engagement. People don't just want to look at pictures. They want to share them, and then they want to see more of them. And in fact, content with images receive up to 40% more shares than content without pictures. So, what is the impact of image in advertising? By creating more engagement and catching the attention of the more viewers, visual advertising helps spread your message, build stronger connection with your audience, and foster brand loyalty. So, the example of imagery, Nike's Just Do It campaign, which inspire athletes to push their limits and achieve their personal best when promoting this message. Nike users design that are both powerful and minimalist. So let's move on to the nine copywriting techniques which is simplicity and clarity. I know all of you know what is simplicity and clarity. Keeping the copy clear, concise, and easy to understand to us, avoiding jargon or complex language that might confuse or alienate the readers. So, the simplicity and clarity in today's crowded and competitive market, brands needs to stand out and connect with their target audience. Yes. However, many brands struggle to achieve this goal due to the complexity and clutter of their visual identities. A visual identity is the set of elements that represent a brand, such as its logo, colors, fonts, images, and icons. A visual identity can communicate a brand personality, values, and message. But it can also confuse, distract, or alienate customers if it's not clear and simple. That is why brand simplicity and clarity are essential for creating a strong and memorable brand identity that resonates with customers and drives loyalty. And customers wants to have a smooth and satisfying experience with a brand from a moment they encounter it to the moment they make a purchase or use its service. A simple and clear visual identity can help customers to quickly recognize, understand, and relate to a brand as well as to make informed and confident decisions. So, for example of this, Apple is known for its minimalist and elegant visual identity, which conveys its values of innovation, quality, and design, and makes its products easy to use and appealing to the customers. So, let's move on to the last copywriting techniques of copywriting. So, the last is testimonials and endorsements. So, incorporating customer testimonials or celebrity endorsement to build interest, to build trust and credibility with the audience. So, the the testimonial ads endorsements typically involve celebrities who are paid generously to promote a brand's products or services. As for influencers, if they have a small following, their reviews can be seen as testimonials. So, what is a testimonial and endorsements? An endorsement is a form of support, approval, or sanction. A testimonial is a statement about a therapeutic good made by a person who claims to have used the good or to have used it while caring for someone else. A testimonial is a statement from our customers about how a product or services has benefited them and includes them recommending it. Testimonial advertising uses these authentic customers' reviews in ad copy and created to build trust and potential customers, making it one of the best ways to market your business. Testimonial ad can be images of customers' reviews from Google, Amazon, or Yelp. Consumer generated content as simple as a repost on Instagram. And also fully produced videos and more. So that's all my report about 10 copywriting techniques in copywriting. That's all. Thank you.